Hello everyone, my name is Margarita Como. I'll be presenting today the Accelerating Young People's Rights campaign, which is a national campaign in Mozambique that aims to decrease the number of early pregnancies among adolescents. So in this title page, we have I prevent early pregnancy, I protect my future, which is one of the slogans that we are using to increase the awareness among young people that their future can be protected if they prevent early pregnancies, if they learn about how to prevent early pregnancies. When we talk about adolescents, we're talking about girls and boys between 10 to 19 years old. The total number of population in Mozambique is over 27 million, and 52% of the Mozambicans are under 18. So we have a lot of young people, a huge number of young people in the country. So every issues that can risk their health, it's a national issue, it's a national concern. In Mozambique, we have high rates of adolescent pregnancies. We even say that, we can even say, looking at the statistics, that in each 2 girls, 1 get pregnant before 19 years old. And the total percentage is 46% of adolescent girls being pregnant. And this rate are deepening the gender disparities. So we have a lot of girls that are not going to schools, are suffering the consequences of gender disparities of adolescent pregnancy. The contraceptive prevalence rate for modern methods is also an issue because it's 31%. So we have over 60% of girls and boys that are not access modern methods. We have what we call unmet need for family planning. And among adolescent girls and women between 15 to 47 years old, we have 23%. So this is increasing the number of new cases of early pregnancy. And also we have high numbers of maternal mortality. The ratio is currently 408 per 100,000 live births. And the maternal mortality ratio among girls between 15 and 19 years old is 197 per 1,000 girls. We have developed in this campaign some infographics with the objective to increase the awareness, to increase the education, health education among adolescents. Because we know that young people are affected physically, emotional, and psychologically by the consequences of early pregnancies. And we know that many girls and boys are dropping out of school. And another objective of this campaign is to teach, educate young people to know how can they find contraceptive methods to prevent early pregnancy, how can they access health service, and how can they learn about contraceptive methods. We have an explanation about health risks associated with early pregnancy. We have a high adolescent mothers face higher risks of eclampsia, puerperal endometriosis, systemic infections than the women aged 20 to 24. And babies of adolescent mothers face higher risk of low birth weight, preterm delivery, and severe neonatal conditions. We know that we have a lot of abortions cases among adolescents. So these represent a high risk of death. Most of a high number of adolescent mothers even die giving birth because the bodies of an adolescent mother is not prepared for a pregnancy. It's still growing. So there are risks of a lot of consequences because of early pregnancy. Another approach in this campaign is to incentive parents of adolescents to encourage to talk, to be open to their child about sexuality to prevent early pregnancies. We assume that those statistics should be a concern for all. And we know that parents play a huge role on behavior change, adolescents' behavior change. So we use our Instagram page, we use our Facebook page to increase the awareness about early pregnancy, about the power that parents have to educate their child and to make sure that they can prevent early pregnancy, and also that they can have answers to their questions being addressed by their parents. Their parents can be a source of knowledge about sexuality instead of going out of listening maybe to friends that even they are not totally aware about this huge problem, which is early pregnancy. So we also incentive young people to talk about early pregnancy, to look for information, to know the methods available. We have the oral contraceptive pills, we have condoms. So we incentive young people to look for their dream, to protect their dream against early pregnancy, and to ensure that their future can be protected also.